Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Voyage Aeronautics PA-1003. Right there. It's got a camera, HD streaming drone. This thing looks very similar to a Propel product. I don't see on the box anywhere where it says it's Propel or made by Propel, but there's the trademark and the Amex group. I don't know. It just reminds me of a Propel product. The packaging and the way the design is, it just does. So I don't know if they've changed their name and they're going to go in this direction, or I don't know. But anyway, this has onboard video. It's got a camera, 6-axis gyro. It's supposedly has this obstacle avoidance feature on here, and altitude hold, and yeah, stream your video to the phone and all that. 14 plus. Yeah, it looks like it might be a good toy. So let's get it out of the box and check it out. Here we are out of the box, and let me tell you, there was no manual in the box, so I had to, we're gonna have to wing it here a little bit because, I don't know the specifications of the stuff. Here's the battery. I don't know what the size of it is, but it's probably 3.7, maybe. By the weight of it, it feels like about a 700 or an 800 or something. I can almost guarantee you it's more than a 500 because it is got a little bit of beef to it. Here's the quadcopter itself. And it does have this obstacle avoidance feature on there. You'll see there's the camera there. Okay? And then you'll see that little obstacle avoidance little light there, the little infrared thing. And then they have them on the side here. Right there. Flipping it over here, right there, and in the back. And you'll see two of them right there. Get my finger in there and there. Okay, so that's going to be the obstacle avoidance. Kind of like that infrared avoidance that they had on those little quadcopters where you would put your hand up and they would go back. You could kind of like steer them by moving your hand around, one of those type deals. So there's that. Then you get the prop guards. Yeah, we don't care. Then there's a little card reader and the screwdriver. Spare props. At least they give you a whole set of those. That's fine. Here's the phone holder. Here's the transmitter. And it has the, regular stuff here. Speed, stunts, power. I don't know what that is for sure. Here's the trim buttons right here. And this one clicks in. So I'm not sure what this stuff is because I don't have a manual. So I don't know what all that is. We'll figure it out when we get there, right? We can figure this stuff out. It's not that complicated. Then there's the phone holder. We'll get that on there. But I want to turn it on and get the app because I had to search on the App Store for the app because I didn't have the manual. So here's the power button right here. There's the level calibration down and to the right. Now let's turn the app on. It's called Voyage, the app, or the Wi-Fi signal. Oh, I hit the wrong one. The Wi-Fi signal is called Voyage BBO22. Right there. Oh, they got a password for that too. Okay, guess what? I have no manual, so I have no idea what the password is. But I guess we're going to have to wing that. Let's take a guess. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever you get these Wi-Fi passwords and you plug them in and they're not right, it always takes a long time to let you know it's not right. If it's the right one, it goes immediately into it. It says incorrect password, okay. God, how stupid can you get? You gotta be a flaming idiot to password protect a toy quadcopter like this. Well, guess what? We're not going to be able to use the video because I don't know what the password is. And this company are a bunch of retards. for password protecting a toy like this. And then they password protect a toy, okay, and then don't put a manual in the box. Yay! Go to the head of the class of retards, okay? Go right to the front. Go right to the head of the class of dumbos. All right. So I guess we'll just go see if it flies good. That's all we can do, right? All right, guys. I found out where they hid the password. The password is in the Wi-Fi name. I mean, this is just... I mean, what are these people thinking? I mean, seriously. They have the manual for this is online. You have to go up to the website. But it doesn't say that on the box, okay? Okay. BB022D. Oh, God. Oh, good Lord, D. This is so ridiculous, it's funny. Okay, it went through. Jeez. I can't get over it, man, I'll be honest. Whew. Okay, here we go. Yeah, access the photos, I don't care. There's a new software update for the drone? What the? Oh, no. That will improve the camera quality. Okay. It's uploading the firmware. Okay. Whew. This is... I'm telling you, man, this takes the cake. Oh, God. I wish you could see the look on my face right now. Oh. Okay, so let's go back and... Oh, I guess we're going to have to restart the app again. Okay, here we go. Yay. Okay, so there it is. Wow. Lordy, lordy. Okay. I mean, the damn camera can't be that good, right? It's a toy. It's a toy that did an update. Whew. Wow. Okay, you know what? Let's go see if this thing even flies. All right, guys. Guys, we are out here. With the Voyage Aeronautics. And here it is, the gem. There it is, the classic. Let me start some video. How about that? How about we do that? Okay, so it says it's recording. I got an SD card in there. Let's take off. See how this sucker flies. There's the third rate. Well, it's not that quick, I will say that. It's not that fast. And it seems to have some lag in the controls. And I wonder if that has something to do with all that it's got some kind of sensors on it or something. Anyway, let's just see how the video looks. It doesn't steer real nimbly, I can tell you that right now. Let's see. It's not the most nimble beast I ever seen. You see how it constantly dives to the ground when you turn? I don't like that. Yeah, this isn't a very... It's not a very good flyer. I mean, it's stable and all, and I think in the camera... I mean, the camera looks like the video might be okay, but we'll have to see. Looks a little saturated to me. I'll put the flight. Look how see how it just dives to the ground like that? I'm not even touching it. I think it has some sort of obstacle avoidance or something on here, or some kind of helpful sensors or something. I'm just not sure about it. So there's not a lot to the settings. There's the first rate, which is awfully slow. It won't even hardly go backwards. Okay, so it's not that hot. See how slow it is in the first rate? Now we're gonna kick it up to the second rate. Now we'll kick it up to the third rate. And it immediately starts diving to the ground. So you can see, I'm looking at the video, and you can see the props in there. Yeah, I would not recommend buying this, to be honest with you. It doesn't fly real crisp. Not like some of these other toys I've been reviewing recently. Looks like the video stopped recording. Low battery, it says. Okay, so that's why the video stopped recording. So I'm gonna wait till it goes down and craps out. I can tell you the battery life was terrible. I don't really even think it went 5 minutes, to be honest with you. So there it goes. Okay, so let me give you my final thoughts on this thing. Okay, my final thoughts on the Aeronautics, the Voyage Aeronautics PA1003. Don't buy it. Okay. It doesn't steer real well. It doesn't handle real well. And it does that dropping, you know, when you're making a turn, it's, you know, dives into the ground. I hate that. You know, I'm really not a big fan at all of that happening. It has a very nice build. The build quality on it's nice, but it's just not a good flyer. And, you know, and I'll just go back to what I've always said. If it doesn't fly good, it's no good. I don't care about the camera. I don't care about the gestures. I don't care about all that crap and all those gimmicks. Don't mean a hill of beans if it doesn't fly good. Okay? So, it don't fly good, so it's no good. So, I'll be getting rid of this. I probably will never make another video with this thing, because it's just not fun to fly. It's just, you know, it's just a piece of garbage, so. But, you know, some people enjoy it. All right, guys. There you go. Have a nice day. This is the end.